You are going to love the 2019 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, roof rack, four-wheel disc brakes, HD radio, tachometer, leather shift knob, navigation system, adjustable pedals, front bucket seats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.